everyone, this is Jenny from Homestead Corner. Today we're getting the coop ready. The chicks are moving. So the meat chickens are getting so big, they're getting cramped in their little thing. They have got to move out to the coop. So today's the day. We've got fresh shavings down, and we put a little hatch door in so they can get out to their pen. We put this rabbit wire stuff on the windows so no animals can get in. We have that on all the windows so they're safe. And then my lord, they're killing me with the watering because I have like quart jar waterers in their brooder. I can't put anything bigger in there. It's not big enough. So we have 2 of those and we're doing it 5 times a day. It's insane. So we can get them out here and use the big feeders and waterers, and they'll have plenty of space. They have access to the outside. So that I'm hoping they will like. It's not the most glorious pen, but it's got some stuff growing in there they can munch on. Get some fresh air. It gets shade most of the afternoon out here, which is really nice. There's some flowers in there, and they can get in and out easily, and they're nice and safe. I put this chicken wire down here so they can't get through. They're not really jumping or flying, so they should be good. And this just gives them some space to add to the coop. Let's go get them. Alright, so we got everybody moved in. They're checking everything out. They appear to be happy. They're almost 3 weeks old, and we still have 29, so I think we're doing well for where we're at. And I've heard a lot of people have a hard time keeping them till butcher weight. I'm not sure what the percentage of loss is, but so far we did lose one the first week. But that's all that we've lost. Everybody else seems to be doing great. Everyone's eating great and drinking. They're messy like ducks. Oh my goodness. They're definitely a lot different than having little hens. We just finished off the first 50-pound bag of chick feed, so we're starting our second bag today, and then after this we'll probably be pretty close to 4 weeks, and we'll have to move on to the meat bird stuff, but we'll see where we're at. So that's it for this video. They're all moved into their new coop. Everybody seems to appear to be okay with it. They're checking out every little crack and nook and cranny, see what they can find. And in the morning, we will set them out and let them go out into the fenced-in area. But for the first night, we're just going to keep them right in the coop so they get used to their little place. And that's it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.